Hi everyone, and welcome back to Everything Excel and More. For those who are joining us for the first time, I am your instructor, Odolami Ayomide, and I work as a data analyst within the financial services industry. And to my consistent subscribers, I say welcome. Today I'll be talking about the function wizard. Now, not to discuss too much or not to talk too much, the function wizard guides you as a beginner, as someone who thinks Excel functions are complex. The function wizard guides you into building functions. It basically, yes, that's just the basic definition of what the function wizard do. Now, for example, see this data set. Now imagine if I don't know how to make use of the sum function, right? And I know that there is a function that sums in the total value of your data set, but I don't know how it works. I'm going to make use of the function wizard to guide me into using it. Now, to access the function wizard, you press formulas, you go to the formulas tab. Now, under the formulas tab, see this part here, the first ribbon here, the insert function. You press it, and this is it here. You've accessed, this is the function wizard. I hope you can see it. Now, once this small box come outside, I said we're going to use sum function, right? So I'm just going to press sum. Now, what is the data set down to sum? I'll just click it in, right? I've done that and see my answer here, 170. All I need to press here is okay. Can you see? Now, without knowing how to input the function, or without knowing how to press the SUM function and using the tab key, all I needed to do was to bring out the function wizard, and it helped me build up the function. Now, if you say sum is too easy, right? Let's use a little more complicated function. Let's say we're going to be using the VLOOKUP. I want to look up the apples value, right? I'm going to use the function wizard VLOOKUP. You can just search for it here. Let me search for it here so it's not look as if. I know that there's a function called VLOOKUP, right? So let me search for it. VLOOKUP, right? Press go. Now can you see? I'm going to select this. Now what's the lookup value? Can you see that all I need to do is everything I need to do? I just need to answer that question. What's the lookup value? Is this Abby, right? Apple. What's the table array? I'm going to click in my table array, right? How many columns do I have? I have two columns. Now I want an exact match, so I'm going to be using false. False. Okay, that's all. I'm just going to press an equal to. Can you see? It has brought in the amount of apples here, which is 50. And I did not even have to write out the formula by myself. So you can see that it's, even though you feel like the formulas or the functions are complex, the formula wizard is there to guide you. So as you go on, as time goes on, you would learn how to build the formulas by yourself. But as a beginner, you can make use of the function wizard to help you out or to guide you. Now, if you have any questions about the function wizard, or you need this particular sheet, you can comment in the comment section. I am going to, yeah, reply you or find a way to help you out. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.